strong.
Hey guys, Elysian here, back for another video. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I just had to do some of my finance stuff and I've been busy trying to get my stream sorted. But today, before I come back with the new Pokemon Sword and Shield Chilling Region ETB. I've been like busy doing other stuff, but I do have plans for videos for the rest of this week. So yeah, I thought finally I was downtown and I thought I'd pick one of these up. I haven't opened a League Trainer box for a while. So yeah, let's crack this boy open. I did just watch my little brother. He wanted to buy one too. So his pulls were actually quite garbage. Also, apologize for no cam. My room's a bit on the, literally is a mess right now, so if I do this, that should probably be better. So yeah, so hopefully I get better pulls than my little brother. He doesn't really have the luck on like the Pokemon side of things. If I move everything over here, so there we go. We got the trainer booklet. 8 packs of Chilling Region. Really nice looking dice. I actually do like, it's actually like the colors of my playmat, which is kind of cool. Sleeves. Code card. There you are for you guys who play the online TCG. Energies. Borders, and the damage counters, so most likely will turn them into key rings. So I just move everything over there aside, and for if we do pull some really nice cards, I got some really nice looking white Dragon's Shield sleeves. So I will keep the box open so I can get to them. So yeah, that's hang on, I'll do this right now. So yeah. Code card for everyone on there, and what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4 from the back, isn't it? Yeah, because there's the energy. Trainer, Whirlipede, Crossing Gloves, a little Snow Runt. Hang on, if I... There you go, that's better. Weedle, Cast Form, Crawfish, a Heracross. You are coming to Pokemon Go at some point. And we have Slurpuff as our holo, and a Devastator. So yeah, I put all the commons in one pile, all the holes in the other. I'm really hoping to pull an alternative art. I would really like a Blaziken alternative art, just because Blaziken is one of my favorite Pokemon. Oh, Raboot. He's always, I loved 3rd gen, I liked the whole reason. So I just liked, I liked Torchic. I always either named him Popcorn or I named Teriyaki. Oh, Fire Form Cast Form. I can't remember the last time they printed like other forms of Cast Form. It's been a while. Reverse Holo Lapras. And that's it. Oh yeah, code card. So yeah, I do have, so I'm going to be uploading this video probably later today, and I'm going to be posting a Magic the Gathering one, I think possibly Monday. Making sure I'm still recording. I want to try and pull into art because I just think they look really, really nice. Hey, a hollow snow one. That's our second snow one in the pack. And okay, we have our first V. We have a volcano. Let's just leave you anyway. Nice. But yeah, the Pokemon and the arts are just getting, like, in my opinion, they're just getting really, really good. They're looking really, really nice. Some more codes. Feel free to pause the video. Oh, we also got the Warcat form. Oh, Shuppet. One of my favorite Pokemon. Good old Bayonet. One of my favorite ghosts. And we have, ooh, Cresselia. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Search your deck for a psychic energy attached to one of your Pokemon. If you go second and this is it's your first turn, said search up to 3 energy cards. Ooh, so that's actually pretty sick. I really like the artwork. Another upside down code card for you TCG players. Ooh. So if I do it up here, you guys can probably see it a lot better. Like, this is my first time opening like this set. I didn't actually buy a box. I did the same thing the last. No, I actually didn't buy a boost. No, I bought the booster box of what the last set was called. But I didn't buy any. No, I didn't buy any ETBs. Ah, Grookey hit twice. And now I have a new art of Grookey, which I think is really, really cool. My camera would please just focus. Oh, and we got Raboot, and we got Polygon, and oh, an Ampharos. Oh, do you know what? I think now we're just missing old Stubble, aren't we? 3 packs to go. Can we pull like a full art? Can we pull alternative art, or could we pull like, I know, like a rainbow? Come on, can my luck come back? I'm hoping it does. Mareep, a Waltz. Oh, Golok. Oh, look at my boy, he's all grown up. And we pulled, it's a Blaziken, I'm not complaining, it is in fact a Blaziken. But let's sleeve up the bad boy. It may not be the old art, but I'll still appreciate any Blazikens. So, 2 packs remaining. Can we pull a can we pull an old art? If I pull an old art, I'm set. I'll be happy. I also still need to actually finish the DLC. I haven't had the time. I've just been so busy. I really should finish the DLC. Hey, there we go. We got the Stubble. We got all of them now. All of the little boys. Okay. Last pack. I'm also really hoping that my stream, because I'm recording this on Thursday, I get said this will be uploaded later today. I hope that my stream actually goes to plan today. If you guys don't know, I stream on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. I had to miss Tuesday because my Switch decided I didn't want to connect to the internet, and yeah. Later today though, at 6 PM UK time, I'll be continuing my Pokemon Unite stream. Ranked. So can we get the law? Can we in our pack get pray to my god? Pray to the Heart Gold Soul Silver Third. Can we pull something good? Oh, Grookey is always good. A Hollow Surfetch, and we got Galarian Wheezing as our last one. Okay. So not amazing pulls, but still, we pulled a VMAX Chicken, which I'm always happy to pull chicken. So yeah, I hope you guys have accepted my apology for not uploading in a while, and but I can give you a little sneaky hint on what my next video is going to be. I'll give you a slight hint. How can I give you a da, 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 da. That's what you get. So you know it's magic. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video or in my stream. I will leave a link in the description to my Twitch. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.